Hey, have you heard about the latest in xenotransplantation?
Oh, really?
It's seriously like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Xenotransplantation? You mean transplanting organs between species?
Exactly. And get this, they've been using pigs as donors for human organs. It's
No
incredible.
way. Pigs? That's kind of surprising. How does that even work?
Well, they've been genetically modifying pigs using CRISPR-Cas9 to make their organs
Oh,
more
interesting.
compatible with humans.
So they're editing pig genes to reduce rejection?
Yeah, they've knocked out genes that cause our immune system to freak out, like the one producing the A-gal epitopy.
Got it. That's amazing. But what about our immune system still recognizing it as foreign?
They've thought of that too. By adding human genes for immune regulatory proteins, the pig organs can blend
Smart.
in better.
It's like giving the organ a disguise.
Exactly, like a secret agent sneaking past security.
Haha. But aren't there risks of diseases jumping from pigs to humans?
Yes, that's a big concern. They've worked on inactivating porcine endogenous retroviruses to reduce that zoonotic risk.
So they're making it safer on multiple fronts.
Absolutely. And in early clinical trials, they've transplanted pig kidneys into brain-dead patients. It's a
Really?
huge step forward.
Did the organs function properly?
They did. The kidneys started working, and they gathered valuable data on the immune response.
That's incredible. But what about actual living patients?
There was a compassionate use case where a patient received a pig heart.
Seriously?
Although the survival was limited, it provided crucial insights.
Wow. So even though it wasn't long-term success, we learned a lot?
Exactly. Every case teaches us something new.
Right. But do you think this is the best path forward? Maybe focusing on artificial organs is better?
Well, artificial organs are promising, but they're not quite there yet. Xenotransplantation could bridge the gap.
I see. Makes sense. But I'm concerned about the ethics of using animals this way.
That's a valid concern. There's ongoing debate about animal welfare versus saving human lives. It's a complex issue.
It's definitely something we need to consider carefully.
Absolutely. And as we advance, regulations are evolving to address these ethical challenges.
That's reassuring. So what's next for xenotransplantation?
They're working on scaling up production of genetically modified pigs and refining immunosuppression methods.
Interesting. And monitoring for diseases, I hope?
Definitely. They're developing rapid diagnostic tools to keep an eye on any zoonotic infections.
Good to know. It's amazing how fast this field is progressing.
I know. We're on the cusp of a potential revolution in organ transplants. It's exciting.
Can't wait. Hopefully this will help reduce the organ shortage crisis.
That's the goal. With continued research, we might see xenotransplantation become routine.
Fingers crossed.